I am from Haryana, Gurugram, and you?
Hello, buddy. I am Manjeet Singh Rathod from Jaipur, Rajasthan. So, why are you here?
I am here for NDA. I want to join NDA. I want to join NDA for IAF. Because I love Indian Air Force.
You want to join
Indian Air Force. I want to join Indian Force. Indian Air Force. I was a dream to join Indian Air Force. That is a blue dress, blue and the badges of Indian Air Force is too nice.
Okay.
And you?
See, I am also here for preparing NDA. So, to clear NDA exam and to join National Defence Academy. And my aim is to join Indian Army as an officer. Because see, I am from army background. Like my father is in army, and my brother is also preparing for Indian Army. And that thing is that वो feeling है अंदर कि अगर Indian Army join करनी है, मतलब अगर defense join करनी है तो Indian Army में join करनी है, और अगर Indian Army join करनी है तो as an officer join करनी है. तो मतलब ये बात नहीं है कि जो अदर पोस्ट है वो अच्छी नहीं है, बट एक अंदर है दैट थिंग इज दैट आई
my father is in normal post and I want to become higher from them.
दैट
कुछ बन के दिखाना है.
कुछ बन के दिखाना है. लाइक व्हेन माय फादर गॉट टू नो अबाउट दैट आई एम हैविंग एन लेफ्टिनेंट पोस्ट,
They are proud of them.
He'll be
Pride of honor for them.
He'll be feeling proud on me, so that's the reason why I'm here and why I'm preparing for ND.
My grandfather is also from army background.
Okay.
So some motivation come from there,
Okay.
and my father is also motivate me,
Okay.
support me
Okay.
in every field. So for that I
See, okay. So where did you get to know about DDCP?
for about DDCP.
Yeah.
When I was motivated in 8th class that I want to join NDA.
Okay.
Then I said to my father that I want to join armed forces as an officer in Indian Air Force. Then my father said okay. So he said to me, complete your 10th from here, then you join any institute. तो फिर मेरे पापा ने और मैंने इधर उधर बातें करी and we conclude and we after that हम conclusion में पहुंचे कि हमें पता चला देहरादून is the education hub for defense.
Okay.
Then I search in Google,
Okay.
which is the best institute in Dehradun for an
There is the name of
DDCP on the top.
Okay.
And the review of DDCP is too nice. Feedback is too nice. So after that I come here.
Feedback is good.
Feedback is good.
Okay. So what about the environment?
Environment of here is too nice. The physical is too hard and वो वाली physical है कि बस एक NDA वाले candidate को दी जा रही है उधर से. And the studying environment, it's too nice. Faculty of teachers here is too nice. Or our SSB teacher Thapyal sir, they मेरा fear निकाल दिया उन्होंने. Stageophobia था मुझे, उन्होंने fear निकाल दिया मेरा. Brigadier sir, Brigadier Vinod Paswala, he is too nice. तो देखते ही बता देते इस बच्चे के अंदर क्या कमी है.
He guides us.
He guides us too nicely.
He points out our mistake very politely, very gently. Like when we go to know about our mistake, we just think of it. We are not afraid to get know about our mistakes. So that is good quality, good thing about the faculty. And one thing, education. I also feel that education, the level of education provided to us is good or is better than other places in Dehradun. Or like if when we are preparing for NDA, that a good level of education is required and we are provided with it. And like I am satisfied. Are you satisfied?
I am very well satisfied from here. Here, what do you feel here?
What I feel here, I feel that वो जो मतलब एक वो होता है
एक एनवायरनमेंट मिल जाता है. कभी आईएम में ले जाना, कभी एनडीए खड़गवासला, और उनकी पासिंग आउट परेड देख के अलग सी फीलिंग आ जाती है. या आई वांट टू जॉइन एनडीए, आई वांट टू जॉइन आईएम में.
एक माहौल मिलता है ना कि आप एनडीए की तैयारी करने, एनडीए के एंट्रेंस एग्जाम को क्लियर करने के लिए आ रखे हो, तो वो एनवायरनमेंट एक बहुत अच्छी तरीके से मिल रखा है. सुपरविजन बहुत अच्छा मिल रहा है. सीनियर्स बहुत अच्छे हैं.
Senior is too nice.
Seniors
clear all doubts.
Seniors are supervising us. Seniors are seniors are point outing our mistakes, and they are telling us how to overcome it, how to just clear it, and how to build up quality of an Indian Army officer or of an defense officer. So that will be helping us throughout the preparation. That will be helping us throughout the preparation. And the thing is, SSB interview. The training for the SSB interview is provided very nicely here, and that the confidence of a student builds up frequently, not frequently, but gradually. Like if I came here in starting, I was not having that much of a confidence level.
Same as me.
I was not
like some stage of phobia in front of
little bit of stage of phobia, you can say, but the day by day, time to time, Thapial sir encouraged me about that, and day by day, time to time, I improved myself, and now I felt that I am not less than anyone. किसी से कम नहीं हूँ मैं, and मतलब
ये आपकी बात नहीं है, ये सब यही सोचते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे माहौल ऐसा हो गया, नेचर मतलब एनवायरनमेंट इस टाइप का क्रिएट कर चुका है कि सबको लगता है कि हम किसी से कम नहीं है. If he can do it, so I also can do it. Environment इस टाइप का है.
और physical training.
Our Pandey sir is too much crazy.
Physical training बहुत अच्छी दी जा रखी है, मतलब बहुत अच्छी दी जा रही है.
Our Pandey sir is also same as like as a PT instructor in NDA or IMA.
Yeah, the strictness, the discipline, the level of discipline which is required to a student who is preparing for defense is provided here. Like we can pick up any student from here. I have observed the students when starting. I came here, I have observed that the seniors who are here from last year or who have spent their time. So I observed them that the discipline level is very good. They are knowing that why are they here. They are knowing that we are preparing for defense exams, how to behave, how to react, how to speak, how to talk, how to respect others. The way of respecting is also different here. So that is good. That will be helping us. And the thing is that
motivation. Motivation is from everywhere. Every morning we get motivated by everyone.
Like
our warden, like our PT teacher, our school teachers, our class teachers, our ND teachers, our counselors,
our seniors.
Our seniors
are also providing us motivation. So that will be helping us. Environment is very good, and the thing is, Dehradun, the city is defense hub. Is defense hub, and in defense hub, this particular platform.
You know why this Dehradun is a defense hub? Because of IMA.
Because IMA is Indian military.
IMA create an encouragement in students. When our notials and our school faculty took us on POP, passing out parade. The students are very confident, and passing out parade motivated us. It's too nice.
The students were motivated when they came from there. They start feeling that now just
अभी करना है
अभी बस पहुंचना है, अभी फील्ड के अंदर जाना है,
अभी करना है,
अभी डिफेंस ज्वाइन करनी है. सो वो चीज मिल रही है, वो चीज अच्छी तरीके से मिल रही है. एंड
एक बच्चे को मोटिवेशन मिलती रहनी चाहिए, वो यहाँ मिल रही है,
वो अच्छी मिल रही है.
एजुकेशन फैकल्टी है, वो
एजुकेशन फैकल्टी
बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी हो रही है.
इज वेरी मच गुड. द लेवल ऑफ एजुकेशन the level of education is high, but the way of giving education is very nice, very kind, very polite. Like a student who is not able to study that much as compared to other student who is intelligent, who is good in studies, but the focus on the student is equally to every student. And the students who are not having that much capability of studying are also giving results, good results,
better results in
past results. So they are giving good results, by which we can see say that this boy will definitely join defense exams by seeing his personality, by seeing his behavior, by
personality. The point is personality development. Personality development is too nice here. Our SSB instructor Thapial sir. Wow. Personality development. This school providing us personality development in every field. and everywhere. How to walk,
See,
how to talk,
See,
how to
no. The first thing is in personality development. The major thing is
physical appearance,
physical
way of
appearance,
talking
way of talking. Like here, the physical appearance of every student
is too nice.
is every
As same as a officer.
every student is like that. He is preparing for defense.
Yeah.
He is having that feeling that
Yeah.
I want to join Indian defense.
Yeah.
I want to join Indian defense forces. So that thing is created here. That thing is being followed here.
Yeah,
from
because
us.
of that reasons the selection rate of this institute is too high.
The selection rate is high because it's worth it.
Yeah.
It's worth it because the selection rate is high. लेकिन मतलब वो जो चीज चाहिए ना जिसकी वजह से सक्सेस रेट बढ़ती है वो अच्छी तरीके से दे रखी है और बाकी तो स्टूडेंट्स के ऊपर है करने के लिए
I think that cracking ND exam is not an uphill task.
the thing is SSB interview
SSB interview and the preparation of SSB interview here,
especially this platform, according to my point of view, this platform is very much better than others in SSB interview training.
yeah.
The training provided to us for SSB interview is very much better from other platforms in Dehradun. Like Dehradun is a defense hub. Many students come here. They qualify exams. They get selected. But in Dehradun, this platform is giving very much success rate, and because of it,
climate of Dehradun is too nice for studying, for preparing of NDA and not only for NDA, for all armed forces. जैसे कहते हैं ना फौजी को वो माहौल चाहिए, वो मिलता है यहाँ पे। फौजी बनने के लिए माहौल चाहिए और फौजी बनना है हमें। यहाँ पे हर बच्चे के अंदर एक जुनून होता है जो भी यहाँ पे आता है कि हमें फौजी बनना है, हम बन के जाएंगे।
वो जुनून होता है और वो जुनून ला दिया जाता है। अगर जुनून नहीं भी होता ना तो
ला दिया जाता है टीचर्स के द्वारा।
By observing our competitors, we start get feeling that we should also prepare for it. Why, if he can do, why we can't do? So that feeling is much needed, and that is provided to us. So every student is like preparing here very nicely, and we are also preparing here very nicely.
And I think we
Now
cleared the exam.
and surely we'll clear the exam, or clearing or not clearing is the other thing. But the environment,
we learn something.
But the environment for defense, for where we can feel that yeah, we are a supporter of defense, are a follower of a defense.
Part of
We are part of defense is provided to us, and we'll follow it throughout the life.
Yeah.
So that will be a good thing, and nice to meet you, and.
We'll meet after.
We'll
join
meet-
in.
we'll
join-
meet- we'll
when
meet-
I'm in Indian Air Force and you are in
Yeah, I will join Indian Army as an officer, and
Yeah.
you will join Indian Air Force as an officer, and we'll meet here again only. Again only not. We'll meet
everywhere,
but
as a friend and as a feeling of proud.
It will be a good feeling that we met as a student who is preparing, and will meet as an officer who had prepared and who had cleared the exam, and now he is a lieutenant or he is a good
Flying
post officer, flying officer of Air Force.
Yeah.
So nice meeting you. Very much. Very nice. I like it.